भुवनेश्वर सुशासन अनुकरण संपर्कित आंचलिक सम्मेलन में ओडिशा को प्रशंसा कले केंद्र मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह। उद्यापनी दिवस में केंद्र प्रशासनिक संस्कार राष्ट्रमंत्री घोषणा से कहते ओडिशार तीनिटी कार्यक्रम को अन्य राज्य में कार्यकारी करा मो सरकार मो स्वास और भुवनेश्वर जमी सूचना व्यवस्था को से भूरी प्रशंसा करिसेंति। ओडिशार सहभागितार एसबू को अन्य राज्य में कार्यकारी करा ओडिशार सुशासन स्वच्छता और उत्तरदायी व्यवस्था को प्रशंसा करिसेंति केंद्र प्रशासनिक संस्कार राष्ट्रमंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह। सेपटे कार्यक्रम में मुख्यमंत्री अभिभाषण दे कहते सुशासन देउछि मो सरकार सरकार रे लोकं को सुशासन देवा ओडिशा आपणैछि लोकं को उत्तम सेवा जोगाइबारे मो सरकार सफल होइछि। मो सरकार कार्यक्रम में लोकंकर सीधासलख मत निया जाउछि। गणतंत्र रे नागरिकों को उत्तम सेवा जोगाइबारे काम करुछि एई व्यवस्था एवं मो सरकार संतोषजनक सेवा जोगाउछि बोली मुख्यमंत्री कहछन्ति। सरकारी कଳରେ स्वच्छता रखिबा पई काम करुछि मो सरकार एवं उत्तरदायी रहिबे जनसाधारण निकट में सरकारी नीति नियम पालन करा लोकों लक्ष्य नहीं काम करिबारे आम सफल होइछु बोली मुख्यमंत्री कहछन्ति। ऑनलाइन रे सरकारी सेवा संघ को अभियोगर शुणाणी मध्य होउछि। लोकों स्वार्थ एवं सेवा को दृष्टि रखी मो सरकार कार्यक्रम चलीछि बोली नवीन कहछन्ति। एही कार्यक्रम में राज्य परिवहन मंत्री पद्मनाभ बेहेरा मुख्य शासन सचिव सुरेश चंद्र महापात्र केंद्र प्रशासनिक संस्कार सचिव संजय सिंह प्रमुख उपस्थित थिले।
And since I am speaking from a platform at Bhubaneswar, I also wish to use this opportunity to compliment the government headed by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik for having come out with some of the unique governance practices. And one of the objectives of these regional conferences held by the Government of India is to pick up these practices so that they could be replicated, reproduced and communicated to the other states as well. And some of these to name with are OSWAS, the Odisha E-Office for Digital State Secretariat. The Mo Sarkar is a practice which has been widely applauded, which is Odisha's service delivery portal. One district, one number, collector grievance cell. I think this is something we'll go around telling the other 27, 28 states and also the 7 union territories. Bhubaneswar land use information system. And I'm sure the Department of Administrative Reforms will closely collaborate to prepare a manual or an institutionalized account of these practices, because the objective of holding such conferences regional level is not only to come and reproduce, replicate or communicate over here the best practices happening in the other parts of the country or the other states, but also to pick up some of the practices which are not known in the rest of the country, but they have been successfully experimented over here. So some of the success stories of governance practices.
Odisha has initiated a number of good governance practices and various e-governance projects, including Odisha One Portal and Odisha Right to Public Services Act, to provide services to the people within the stipulated time frame. E-Jana Tsunami has also been rolled out to cater to the grievances of citizens anytime, anywhere. Odisha has adopted a transformational approach in its governance, keeping people at the forefront. A Mo Sarkar program has been rolled out with direct random feedback from citizens who visit government institutions for various services to instill high professionalism in the government and monitor the feedback from the citizens. The spirit behind Mo Sarkar is that in a democracy, the citizens are supreme and their satisfaction of government service delivery must be taken seriously and used as a benchmark for initial change. This has been welcomed by our people. Good governance is ultimately the greatest tool of transformation, and we all have a genuine responsibility to the people.